Hey, what's up guys? It's DH, and today we're in the S3 shop where I'm gonna walk y'all through the install of our Polaris RZR Pro R, Turbo R, and Pro XP shifter plate. We had a lot of fun with this install, and we hope you guys do too. So let's get to it. Here are the tools that you'll need: a T20 Torx bit, a T25 Torx bit, a T40 Torx bit, an optional plastic pry tool. The first thing you want to do is place your Pro R on a flat level surface and put the machine in neutral. Next, remove the shifter knob by prying off the top cover. Remove the screw using a T25 Torx bit. Please note, the knob does not unscrew. Pull straight up to remove the shifter knob. Next, we'll pull the center rubber part of the shifter gate out. This part will not be reused. Remove the T40 Torx screw from the plastic part of the shifter gate. Next, pry the shifter gate out. This also will not be reused. Note, there are 4 plastic clips holding the stock shifter gate in place. Moving on to assembly, place the provided barrel nuts into position. These may have to be adjusted to align the shifter gate to your personal preferences. Screw the decorative plate down using the T20 screws supplied and reusing the stock T40 screw. Next, we'll install the shifter knob back onto the shifter using OEM hardware. Once done, you can snap on the top cap. Enjoy your new shifter plate. All right guys, that concludes the install of our Polaris RZR Pro R, Turbo R, and Pro XP shifter plate. If you guys have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to us at the shop. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in.